Now to Parliament now, where members allied to the Jubilee coalition endorsed President Uhuru Kenyatta's amendments to the controversial bill on the media. This means that the bill, which is now set to become law, will not include the proposals made by the media practitioners.
The Editors Guild has vowed to go to court to challenge the proposed law, which it says is unconstitutional. Catherine Omwando reports on what has been dubbed a dark Thursday by Kenya's media.
Honorable Alice.
To the dismay of media stakeholders and journalists across the country, in exactly 44 minutes, the National Assembly's House Committee, chaired by Rachel Shebesh, endorsed the President's memo, which many analysts say have undone the gains the country has made when it comes to freedom of the press and freedom to information.
Did Jubilee whip their members to come to this floor today? Or was this just a show to say that we have 2/3 and we're not going to get the 2/3? Chair, we want to know whether this is a scheme for you to gag us the way you are gagging the media. Honorable, we must be given the recommendation of His Excellency the President on Clause 7 be approved. As many as are of that opinion say aye. As many as have a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it.
Members of the opposition walked out of the National Assembly chambers on the basis that by passing the President's reservations, the House was acting against the Constitution. This move by the House technically gives the President legislative powers, and these are powers that the Constitution does not give him.
Article 115 of the Constitution is very clear, and it says the President can only express his reservations. The House can only debate the bill in view of the reservations expressed by the President. So in the first place, the order that was debated this morning was a nullity, an illegality, and unconstitutional ab initio.
I beg to report that the Committee of the Whole House has considered.
Even as court MPs walked out of the chambers, those left behind did not discuss each presidential amendment in relation to the kicker bill, raising questions as to whether party affiliations and the infamous tyranny of numbers has compromised the powers of the National Assembly.
It is a dark moment for Kenya's robust media environment, when laws that will reverse gains made on freedom of expression and independence of the media from state interference have been rubber-stamped by the National Assembly.
Hatujaridhishwa kabisa na mswada huu. Ukiangalia vipengele kadhaa zinatata yenye haiwezi kufanya uhuru wa vyombo vya habari na uhuru wa mwandishi wa habari idumu nchini Kenya. Na tunasema kwamba rais lazima angalie ofisi zake, je, zinafanya kazi kwa usawa?
But there's still a small window left. According to legal analysts, the Committee for Energy and Communication can still introduce amendments to the bill bit by bit on the floor of the House. The President's memo gives the Cabinet massive powers over authorities, boards and councils within the bill. Uhuru Kenyatta's memo still maintains that journalists will be fined up to 500,000 shillings if found guilty of malpractice, and yet he did not touch on the composition of the tribunal in which the said journalists or media houses will be tried. This has been a bone of contention since the bill was brought to the House. Media stakeholders want any issue to do with the code of conduct of scribes be dealt with under the Media Complaints Commission that is envisaged in the Media Council bill, which went through the third reading late this afternoon. If both bills get enacted, there will be two bodies set up to handle complaints on media practitioners, which could present legal complications. Catherine Omwando, KTN.